Hey guys, how you doing?
Hi, happy Wednesday, Wine Wednesday, or Fisher's
Cheers.
Island Wednesday, whichever Wednesday you want it to be.
You got to try these. These are absolutely fantastic. They're made with whiskey and lemonade, and one will get you there, two will get you there and back.
Yep, those are really good. They're a little pricier, on the pricier side, but they are really good. I'll just stick to my Cabernet and I'm good to go. So the reason why we hopped on here today is we wanted to talk to you about the contractor that we had do our Backsplash. His name is Steve Gerard, and he's with A+ Renovations. I don't even know where to begin. He was awesome. He
showed up on time. He was very professional. He measured everything. He did a fantastic job. Ties everything together, as you saw in our other videos. Tina and I, well, mostly Tina, I did the taping and a few other things, but mostly with the countertops, it ties the countertops in. And I also did the painting on the cabinets, which ties everything in together. It looks beautiful.
It does.
Flawless.
He came over and, you know, we kind of bounced around ideas of what we wanted, how we wanted it to look. He really took the time to listen to us and our needs and our concerns. And, you know, I wanted the white subway tile with black grout. And so he went over different options with me if I didn't want the black, if I wanted to think about the white or the gray or something else. But in the end, I did want the black grout, just because our cabinets are black and they're going to stay black. And then our counters are white, gray, and black now. Yeah. So it kind of all ties in. We're going to do our walls too. We're going to paint our walls gray in the kitchen.
And eventually we're going to do the floors, which
he is going to do
in the future.
But he came in, he was courteous, he was kind, he is fair priced, very fair. He cleans up after himself. He asks if he can take off his shoes in your house. I mean, he is somebody who you want in your home, and anything that he touches really turns to gold.
He was a magician with the tiling, and I've never done that before, so I was also kind of helping him a little bit and just kind of learning what goes into it, and it is amazing what these guys do. He is just a genius at what he does. I would recommend to anybody that wants to have their kitchen done or any renovations.
Bathroom,
the guy
floors.
takes his time, and he gives you what you want. Plus, he also gives you insights. Say, if you want something done, he gives you the better view of what it would look like or what you want, and kind of meets you in the middle, and everything looks fantastic.
It really does. I mean, I can't tell you, again, how much. I'm so glad that we found him. I've kind of known him through the years, so that was good. But just tremendous.
He's done some odds and ends for us, but, you know.
So good.
His reputation speaks for itself. If you go out and want to get something done half-assed, go ahead. But I guarantee you,
you're gonna regret it. We did.
You'll pay a little extra for this, and you'll walk away just going, oh my God, it looks fantastic.
Yeah, like I should have called him before. Why did I wait so long to do this?
Yeah.
He's just awesome. And along with, you know, him coming and giving you an estimate, he'll also give you a list of references. You can call, you can see his work in other people's homes. And it's just, you know, he's a wizard.
No job is too big or too small. He'll renovate a small kitchen with subway tiles. He'll gut your bathroom. He'll redo whatever you want. He'll do it, and you'll be pleased. You'll have spent your money wisely.
So cheers to Steve at A+ Renovations. Awesome work. We're going to show you the kitchen too. Just a couple things that we wanted to let you know. Definitely give him a call if you're interested. Give him a little bit of time. Sometimes it takes him a couple weeks to get to you, but believe you me,
the best is busy.
Worth the wait, hands down. Just absolutely fantastic. So, along with that being said, we're gonna go over to the kitchen. We'll be back in a flash.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We're back again.
And we're in the kitchen, and I'm just gonna show you little bits of everything so you can kind of see. We can see the subway tile behind there with the black grout. And then under here, and with the backlights that we put in and the counter, the Backsplash just comes alive.
It's an Amazon buy. It's very cheap and expensive.
For the counters,
not the beautiful look.
Not the. We're talking about this right now. We're talking about subway tile, not counters. He gets carried away sometimes, folks. But yes, his work, as you can see, you know, give you a little up close. So meticulous in every corner. Even like he wanted me to get rid of like the little lip down here. Remove my wine bottle. But I really kind of liked it there just because I do use it. I put my decorative Market Fresh sign up there. So I kind of like it there. He's right, though. It probably would have looked a little bit better if I had listened, but I really like that. So in that instance, you know, he did listen to me. He listened to what I wanted and how I wanted it, and he went ahead and did exactly what I asked him to do.
And don't be afraid to give your insights on what your ideas are, because, you know, sometimes your idea might be better than what they're thinking, and then sometimes you get an in-between view.
Yeah.
We love the backsplash the way it is, tying in with the...
Yeah, and he got like right behind where the stove is, and he pulled out the stove, and he did back there. He left, you know, no stone unturned. He kind of just went all the way around the kitchen. And if you notice that the GFI outlets only have a white cover and the inside is kind of like an off-white, he did tell me to buy them so we could replace them, but I chose to leave them like that. Only because I have decorative things, but it was his idea to change them, so I just want you to know that was my idea to keep them, so that's why they're there. But he went all the way around to the edge, and don't mind this wall right here because we're painting that. But yeah, that's it. So I'm going to give you kind of a 360. And this is what it looks like. You can kind of see too how I redecorated some of the kitchen. But that's what it looks like.
As you can see, with the black cabinets and the subway tiles with the black and the countertop the way it is, it just blends really nicely.
It really does.
Nice flow, beautiful view.
And it's just at night. Scott, turn the light off for a second. And then when the light goes off, and that's what the kitchen looks like. I have like some little tea lights going. And just we put the little Amazon under the cabinet lights.
Gives you a really warm looking feel to your kitchen.
It really does. It's just so pretty. Even if you're not a cook, you're going to want to be in the kitchen. I do love to cook, so I love being in here now especially. But it's just so pretty. And again, you can't go wrong with Steve. I highly recommend him. So give him a call, have him come out to your house, have him survey, you know, what you want to do. Get a price from him, talk to his customers. You know, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions at all about the work he did or how he was while he was in the house and everything else. And feel free to, you know, ask me anything you want to ask me. We will answer any questions, and don't be shy. So anyway, so you can even see it under the light. It's just seamless. It's just, the grout is perfect. And he didn't even use spacers. He did that all by eye. There were no spacers used. And they're all perfect.
And I helped.
And he helped. Scott helped. Everybody Scott helped. But Steve did 99.9% of the work.
Yes.
So we've got to give kudos to where kudos goes. But that's great. Even like behind, like I said, behind the faucet. We'll probably get a new faucet too at some point. But from now on, anything else we have, you know, to the floors, we're going to get a few other things going. Our house repainted. And he's going to be our guy from now on. I mean, no question about it. So that's our kitchen. It looks really pretty. And he did a fantastic job. So again, you know, don't be shy. Give him a call. And he'll go over everything with you. So that's it for this little video. We'll have another couple more coming up soon.
Yes, we do.
And you guys have a great Wednesday. And
don't forget to be kind to one another.
Be kind to one another. Give Steve a call. Reach out to us with any questions. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit the little like button. Hit the notifications button so you don't miss anything. And some more good videos are on their way. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye, guys.